Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz. Today we've got a sneaker review and an unboxing of the REEBOK Ghost Smashers. Before we get into this review guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up. We want to see those likes. It helps us with our algorithms. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown at our way. And I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. So let's get into it. So today we've got a look at Reebok's collaboration with the Ghostbusters Afterlife film. We got a pair of the Ghost Smasher Ectoplasm in a UK size 7.5, it's European 41, and it's US men's 8.5. So for those that don't know, Ghostbusters Afterlife is a film set many years after the original two. And again, if you don't know what Ghostbusters, you're living under a rock. Ghostbusters is probably one of the greatest sci-fi films of all time. And a lot of that Ghostbusters aesthetic is used obviously in the sneaker, but on the box as well. So this uses a Reebok pump box, and we can see the little, play on words that they use here. So you've got bust it up, so you're busting ghosts. The Ghostbusters logo on the pump, where the pump should be, and there's a disclaimer. Ghost Smashers do not pump, they smash. So let's get on unboxing. Here they are. Now, for those that are familiar with another great sci-fi film from the same era, Alien, these are very reminiscent of the Alien stompers that Ripley wore in, I forgot what film, I think it's Aliens. I just remember that she uses a mech. Spoiler alert for those that haven't seen it. I just remember she uses a robot to defeat the alien. But this is really familiar. This is it really, isn't it? It's the same stompers, but obviously these are the Ghost Smashers built to bust ghosts. We did put these tubes on to give it the aesthetic here. So let's get into the review. Start with the outsole. It's an all rubber outsole right there, and you've got the aged look right there. It looks like it's been worn. Reebok logo there as well. You got a lot of traction patterning. Moving along onto the midsole unit. So this midsole, you got a foam midsole here, and again it's got these really worn marks all around, so it looks like it's worn. So for those that don't know, this sneaker, along with the Alien stompers, I guess, is modeled after the Ecto 1, which is the car that the Ghostbusters use to battle ghosts. Very iconic, one of the most famous cars in film history. And we move along to this upper, and again, as I mentioned before, it reminds me of the Alien stompers. You got a big leather strap over here using a hook and loop system to fasten it right there. The leather as well, it looks really aged. It's got that yellow defect as well. Again, it looks really worn. And the big thing that takes everyone's eyes are this Proton Pack. So the Proton Pack is what the Ghostbusters use again to capture the ghosts. It's right here at the back, and unfortunately this pump pack is for aesthetic use only. There's no pump technology used, which is a shame because I'm a big fan of Reebok pumps, and it's merely decorative. You can take this off, so you can easily remove right there, and the sneaker just looks kind of normal. So you can wear it however you want. Going back to the sneaker, so again, leather uppers, perforated toe box right there. The back as well, leather to get your feet in, strapped. So you take this apart. You got a black leather tongue. You can see this outside sponge as well. You got the Ghostbusters logo iconic right there. Easily slip your feet in. That's the business. And you're ready to catch some ghosts. The Reebok logo right there is using the same hazard warning, like very much like the Alien Stompers right there, but you got the Reebok, you got the Union Jack flag there also. Reebok logo at the heel, printed out there, and again you can find it at the strap right there. Also, that rounds off my review. I'm really excited to try these on. I'm a big Reebok fan, as many of you know. Unfortunately, it's a shame that this pump is merely for decorative use, but these are glow in the dark, so which is really cool. And it does give that, you know, Ghostbusters feel. Obviously, this is the Ghostbusters sneaker. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I've not seen Ghostbusters Afterlife. I do plan on watching it, I've just not gotten the time to. Let me know if it's good on the comment section below. Before we get onto the on-feet review, the insoles, all synthetic, very nicely padded ankle support, I forgot to say, and you got the Ghostbusters logo right there inside. Rounding off my review, if you haven't seen Ghostbusters 1 or 2, go watch Ghostbusters 1 and 2. I think they're really good. 1's probably the best. The reboot, if you want to watch it, go ahead. I wasn't a big fan of it, but you know, people out there really like that film, so hats off to them. I will go watch Afterlife after doing this review. I'm not going to give you a film review, unless you would like to see us review films. You never know. All that said, let's roll that footage and me trying these on. When it comes to the fit, guys, these are really comfy on and they are true to size. My toes are where they need to be, so I recommend that you get your true to size Reebok fit. Surprisingly, again, as I mentioned before, these are comfy. It doesn't feel weighty at the back with the Proton Pack right there, but I feel like if I was to do any sudden movements or jumping or whatever, that they're gonna come off. As I mentioned before, you can take them off. We're just showing you, displaying you how they should look on. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. If you saw that come off, we meant to do that. Again, thanks for watching guys. Till next time, peace.